Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngani? Ngizokhuluma ngepossible replacement kabani kaMbokazi. Lana emva kwami nginobani na? Nginobani? Nginomdlali la udlalela iStellenbosch. Lo mdlali lo igama lakhe uThabo Moloi-Isane. Siyamazi bafethu uThabo Moloi-Isane. I-contract yakhe izophela with iStellis. Njengoba izophela i-contract yakhe with iStellis, uMjida uzoba i-free agent. Ngikeza i-renew i-contract yakhe. Sazizwa kindaba. Mabili ama-team amfunayo currently. Lawo mathimba amabili amfunayo i-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Njengoba nje ifuna i-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Kaizer Chiefs ikeen kakhulu ukuthi uMjida bamsayine. Yabo ngizwile nje kuthiwa nayo iyafuna ngempela umsayina, kodwa ke nje u-Orlando Pirates isahambile ubani, ihambile uMbokazi njengoba eyele eAmerica. There are many key points appointayo ukuthi uMjida uThabo Moloi-Isane will join Orlando Pirates uma kuyewa kuyiwindi elandela. Ongenzeka kuleli windi leli la January noma iwindi lanini langoJune. Kodwa ke into engizokhuluma ngayo la, I don't think mina iOrlando Pirates iyamdinga ngaleyo ndlela uThabo Moloi-Isane. Ngizwe kahle. I'm sure abantu abaningi bazosho ukuthi awufani. Why would you say that? Because this is a Bafana defender. Yes, he's a Bafana defender. He's a Bafana defender, but he is not a left center back. He is a Bafana defender, but he is not a left center back. Orlando Pirates, in the last 5 years, we've had defenders abanje ngoNyauza, defenders abanje ngoMayela, defenders abanje ngoXoki, defenders abanje ngoNda. They used to play in that left center back position, but that left center back position, it is not their ideal position. Akusiyona position abayidlalayo naturally kuyona. Njengoba ngekho naturally kuyona, they made some mistakes. Lama defenders ekubalele wona wonke akhona ama mistakes asekawenza, silly mistakes, ingakho sasingekho stable yabo kuleya position. Since ukufika kwaMbokazi kulethe istability ku defense yeOrlando Pirates. Yabo shiya nje uthi uMbokazi uqinile, uMbokazi uyakwazi ukumaka, but that left center back each and every player odlalela uMbokazi ubekwazi ukuthi akwazi ukudlala kahle noMbokazi, because uMbokazi naturally yena we left center back. Yabo each and every defender azodlala nayo right center back uzokwazi ukudlala nayo. Yabo for me angeke kuyenze sense ukuthi Orlando Pirates iYolanda uThabo Moloi-Isane. I'm not saying he's not a good player. He is a good player, but we have ama right center backs ku Orlando Pirates. We have uSibisi, we have uNda, we have uSiyema, we have uSesane. Those are right center backs right there. Bama right center back nabo bangawenza umsebenzi. Thina okwamanje sidinga i-left center back. There are players akhona kwi-Betway Premiership angakwazi ukusinikeza leyo nto leyo. Mase ubheke nje, there is a player odlalela, I think leya team iMaromo Gallants if I'm not mistaken. Yabo igama lakhe uMpho Chabane. Ungangitshela kuma comments igama lakhe mengilipronounce wrong. That guy, he's a left center back. He is very good. He is very good as a left center back. For me, Umpho Chabane ngaba i-addition right ekureplaceni uMbokazi. Yabo, Mjida una 23 years old, Umpho Chabatana una 23 years old. Sengakwazi ukuchallenge ngayo. Mjida uyi-defender right, uyi-center back right. Yabo, omunye umdlali ke obani Ndamane ke is another center back esingasho ukuthi yes we can try and play with him, but ke I've heard ukuthi uNdamane uzojoin eMamelodi Sundowns, so it is highly unlikely ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi simthole uNdamane. Yabo, but Mpho Chabatane, for me he is a perfect player to replace uMbokazi. I know kuzobanzima, but if you can look at that player ke wena ngokwakho uthini lapha ekhaya, do you think we must go siyobheka i-replacement kaMbokazi? Muthi ngeke asingayi. iPirates izoba nenkinga. Have you seen iPirates idlala without uMbokazi? Have you saw the Arrows game? You saw the cracks last game ade sidlala. Yabo sizoba nenkinga, seyidinga i-natural left center back. We need a natural left center back, not a right-footed center back ozodlala ka left. We don't need that. We need a left center back. Yabo uMbokazi usesibonise something. We need to follow that route. It is very rare to find a natural left center back in South Africa. Here in South Africa, it is very rare. Yabo that player odlalela iMaromo Gallants currently, he's very good. For me, I think we must go for that player right there. He must replace uMbokazi. Yabo, even though engekazi adlaleke, maybe introduce him gradually, akwazi ukuthola ama minutes, agcine ese-starter for Orlando Pirates. Yabo, sithole nje i-left center back mfethu. Is that hard to ask? There are many centre backs akhona kwi-Pirates. We don't need another right centre back enjobo ubani uThabo Modise.